Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can open up an Interactive Brokers account and what to do and how to set it up. So first of all, you need to choose Interactive Brokers website, but once you will go to interactivebrokers.com, you will be then redirected to the specific website. You just need to go ahead and click on the redirect button. And as you can see, for example, for Central Europe, they merged into Ireland's Interactive Brokers, and that's what I'm gonna be using. So as you can see, there is a free trial here also, and there's a open an account, so click on any of those. I'm just gonna click open account. And you will need to go ahead and start your application. So let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, you will need to go ahead and enter your email address, your username, password, and country, but it will be automatically selected because of your IP, and also marketing preferences. So let me fill it out. Now you will need to go ahead and verify your email address. And after that, click confirm. So now you will need to go ahead and go through this all questionnaire. So if you are creating an account for yourself only, you're going to choose individual. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to choose input language and start application. Click on that. Now you will need to go ahead and enter all of your contact information. So like first name, middle name, last name, salutation, address, city, state, province, and some check marks about your country. So let me do that. Now you will need to also fill out some personal information like date of birth, marital status, number of dependents, and your tax identification number. So that could be your like on your ID, or maybe you are paying taxes and you have a specific identification number. So make sure you enter it if you have it. Now, for identification, you will need to go ahead and choose your country, document type. So there's a lot of those: identification card, driver's license, national identity card, or passport. And you're going to enter the number and expiration dates. Now you will also need to choose your employment status. And also you will need to go ahead and enter your employment information like employer name. So if you work on yourself, you're just going to write yourself down. Address again, and nature of business. Now you will also need to go ahead and choose your source of wealth. So you may select all that apply to you. So for example, you have some income from employment or some interests and so on and so forth. So make sure you do that. Now you will also choose your base currency, which fits you the best. And you're gonna also enter some security questions. So make sure you do that. The questions can be any of those. Now you will get actually a mobile phone confirmation. So basically they will send you a code, because otherwise this application cannot proceed further. So make sure you have your phone with you and enter the code and confirm it. Now you will need to configure your trading account. So what account type you will be using. So margin or cash, income and worth. So you need to go ahead and enter how much of annual net income you have. Then net worth, liquid net worth. Now you're going to choose investment objectives and intended purpose of trading. So your choices determine the investment products that you can be approved to trade. So select which ones you want to go ahead and choose. As you can see, you can only choose 3 of those. So maybe let's just go ahead and choose only these ones. Now you want to go ahead and choose a trading on margin. So what experience you may have. Now you will need to go ahead and enter this questionnaire. So if you choose, for example, trading on margin, stock index, mutual funds, and additional products, as you can see, there's a lot of those. You will need to go ahead and go through this questionnaire and enter the questions and answer them correctly in order to be approved. Now you also need to go ahead and add permissions to trade. So you want to go ahead and choose markets, where you want to go ahead and check the locations you wish to trade. And now you will need to go ahead and take a knowledge quiz. After you have taken questionnaire, you will need to choose the level of option trading you wish to trade. Now you will need to go ahead and confirm your tax residence. So just review your information and confirm it. And now after you've done, you want to go ahead and just sign there and click continue. Now you will review your information again and you will see here agreements and disclosures, which you need to go ahead and read if you want to, or you're just gonna click here to agree all and also to these ones. Now you will need to go ahead and wait until they are setting up your account, and there may be some trouble, so you need to go ahead and continue with application. Now, as you can see, you are on final steps, so you need to complete your application by verifying your identity, and maybe that's all which is required for now. You will need to go ahead and again verify your identity by entering your passport, for example, a code and also expiration date, and also you will need to go ahead and agree to the terms like these. Now, as you can see, you can now scan the QR code with your mobile device and you will securely verify your identity and address. You need to allow location services on your mobile device to verify address, and you also want to make sure a flat surface area for the image of your passport. Now, what's also good to do is fund your account. If your application does not get approved, they will send your money back. And that's basically it, guys. After that, just complete your account and wait for application to be approved. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.